All right, this is round 3 from Myhomelife on AliExpress, the 11/11 sale. I don't know, I think round 2 so far was my favorite. Let's see what round 3 has in store. More special drills, we know that. So check them out. These are all between $3 and $4. You cannot beat the fun stuff you get in these packages for $3 to $4. Seriously, it's just, you can't beat that price for all of this beauty. Let's see how this one compares to the other 2 rounds. All right, roll that backwards. Toolkit, very basic of toolkits. Drills, ooh, this is different already. It comes pre-bagged in baggies. No strips, bags. Okay, we'll take bags. I like bags. Especially when I'm traveling with them. It's awesome when they're in bags. Otherwise, I end up with drills all over the place. I have some little tricks I do, but you know, I don't kit them up. I just take them in the little strips and open them up. And then as I finish with one color, I always carry binder clips with me. And I just binder clip them back together and put them back in the little bag. Oh, this is pretty. It's a 30 by 30. Which is probably really a 25 by 25, but it's a mandala, mandala. You choose. I like mandala. Sounds more exotic. It's pretty. Look at the colors. Purples and pinks and yellows. I don't know what's around the outside, like tan, brown, something. It's pretty. Wow. It's got a lot of special shapes. All right, let's see what those special shapes might be. Some marquees, some teardrops, some rounds. These are all in order. I'm gonna mess that up, aren't I? There, look how nicely they're in order. 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way up to 12. Well, I'm gonna mess that up. All right, 1 is red. I get a lot of these lately. 1, 2 is a orange, there you go, orangey color. Champagne gold. I'm keeping them in order. Hey, silver. Ooh, big golds, look at those. I don't think I've ever gotten anything like that before, these big gold. Ooh, these are red teardrops that are like the clear looking. Those are pretty. They're not faceted. They're smooth. Those are sharp. Got a lot of these now. These big orange ones. Now we got rhinestones. Red. Purple. Orange. Hard to see. They're not showing through. This is going to be that outside color. It is like a coppery brown color. Yeah. Can you see them, kind of? You got a lot of the silver backs showing. Sometimes it's hard to get them to show their colors. Show your true colors. Yeah, lots of silver showing. Anyhow. And then bright yellow. So that will be really pretty. It's just a small mandala. But with that size right there, you can take that. You can put it on a 12 by 12 piece of scrapbook paper. Throw it in a 12 by 12 frame, which you can find frames at the Dollar Tree for $1 that work. And you got yourself a nice little framed painting. So it's pretty, very pretty colors. This one I can already tell is really stiff. This is a very stiff canvas. Like I said in the last video, I've been tossing these underneath my mattress. I've never been a mattress flattener, but these do not. This really stiff canvas just doesn't iron well. It just doesn't. They will warp. You know, you'll get weirdness going on, and you don't want that. This one has tweezers and a pen and our drills. An assortment of colors. This one's near and dear to my heart and my soul. You'll see why. You you don't know what that is, guys, that's a dachshund. You know why that's near and dear to my heart. It's a dachshund. What can I say? Isn't it cute? Doesn't have as much color as I thought it would. I mean, different colors. It's got blue toenails, though. That's kind of cute. The blue toenails. All right, let's see if we can get in this. My phone just told me my battery's dying. We'll see if we can finish this video. All right, what do we have? Black, that's regular black drills. Gold, red. It's just pretty much a rainbow of colors. Green, blue, blue, silver. Some marquees. Look at those. Those are big and beautiful, aren't they? Look at that. Golds, rounds, and some of those. So, it's got a lot of colors in it. It's just, I don't know, I thought it looked a little different on the website, but I don't know. It's cute. We'll go with that. It's cute. All right, we got two more here. Two more. Keep my trash over there. These are 30 by 40s. They're listed as 30 by 40s, which is probably 25 by 35. I'm not measuring. I'm pretty good at guessing at this point. I've done a lot of these. Ooh, there's something cool. Those are pretty. Same toolkit. No tweezers this time. I don't know why you get tweezers sometimes and you don't other times. No clue. This has got sparkle in it. The canvas does. It is sunflowers. I love sunflowers. They're some of my favorite flowers. When I saw this one, I was like, yeah, I got to get that. It only has 7 different shapes, but it's pretty. You're just going to outline things pretty much. And then there's some special shapes spattered. These are gorgeous. Gorgeous, though. Let me show you these. I have never had this color before. I think they're going to go on the leaves, actually. This is beautiful. Let me show them to you. Okay, so I've had yellow ABs. I have never had this, like robin egg blue AB before. That's gorgeous. And there's 2 different silvers. I don't know why. One bigger, one, I don't know. This one actually has a little pink hue to it, and this one's clear silver. That's interesting. Pink rhinestones, purple rhinestones, and then these are rounds with the iridescent. That blue is awesome. Look at that. Got a blue and a yellow. Wow, that's going to be cool. Now those are going to want to stick in my pen, so we're going to have to work with that. So there's one more. Hopefully we'll get that done before this battery conks out on us. We're still going though. We're still going. All right. And it'll be the end. This will be all of them. This one is a favorite. It's a favorite of mine. It'll definitely be the favorite, I don't know, in this group, maybe. I don't know, the dachshund. I like the dachshund. All right. It's got a lot of drills. I like that. Already, it's got a big, thick package of drills. There's our toolkit. Big, thick pack of drills. Yeah. That means there's going to be a lot to drill. And look, there's that company. If you watched the last video, this diamond painting right here, they're making a lot of stuff. Here she is. I'm calling her a she because she's so cute. Look at the bird and the sun. These you don't drill at all. That one you don't either, but you do some drilling in the sun. Look at the flowers and the butterflies and the dog. Oh my goodness. It's so cute. I love it. Yeah, there's lots and lots of drills to go with that one. All kinds of stuff. Oh, I think there's every color you can imagine here. If there's a color, it's probably here. All right. Orangish red slivers. Well, they're more red. Cobalt blue slivers. I call those slivers. They're so small. Red teardrops. Purple. gold slivers, gold half balls. Ooh, this is a beautiful aqua. That's beautiful. An orange, pink, purple, aqua teal, lime green. See the lime green? Sometimes the colors don't come out very good. Pretty bluish teal color. Another blue. Oh, another different blue. Gold. Orangey, and then like a pale yellow. Lots and lots of colors with that one. Yeah, that one has 19 different colors. Told you there was a lot for that one. But that's round 3. Couple dogs, a mandala, and sunflowers. You pick. What's your favorite? I don't know. I'd have a hard time. There's some really, really cute stuff here. I love this one. This is going to be a favorite. Did I show you really close up? At least one of them? I mean, these are always clear and easy to read. I mean, very, very seldom do you have trouble with these, like seeing the symbols and stuff. They're usually pretty vibrant and pretty clear and easy to read. So you pick your favorite. They have a lot of stuff. I like this, I like this store on AliExpress, and check them out. All right. So that is the end of round 3. Ding, ding. All right. Hit the like button, subscribe, hit that bell, notifications, so you'll see when they're all coming out, and all the other stuff I have. So, thank you guys. I enjoy finding stuff like this. I'll never get them all done. Well, it'll take me a while. Let's just put it that way. And it's hard to decide which ones I'm going to pick next, but I want to do special drills for a while. I want to finish up these Christmas things and just work on some special drills. So hopefully you'll be able to see some of these finished pretty soon. So until next time, and next video, you guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.